Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do, it's just a little quick video. Sorry about the banging. We've got some building work going on in our garden, so I'll be real quick. But today I'm gonna swatch these, well, they're not new, they're new to me. Faber Castell watercolours. I chose this one. This is the 48 set. I chose this one because you get the metallic and neon, and I am loving my neons right now. So take them out of the box. You get your little leaflet full information in, and obviously your little clip so you can handheld while you're out and about. I love this. I love this. I know I'm going to get really OCD about this, and it is going to have to stay this like shiny and it's white. I think I might cry if it doesn't. And then, oh, look at those colours. Look at the neons. Oh, they're so nice. And I love that you get a little sponge. You put a little bit of water in, so just a little bit damp. And you get a water pen brush, which is, to be honest, quite a nice tip even. It's quite nice. So I'm loving that, and I'm just going to swatch them just on a bit of paper for now. I will do a proper swatch later on with like squares and the names of the paints on, or the numbers. A little spray. Let me spray my sponge. Let me brush. Wow. Oh, so nice. And out comes the sun, which has probably made this really bright so that you can't see it. Oh, British weather. Amazing. Oh, these colours are stunning. I've literally been trying to get my hands on Jane Davenport's Brights. I bought the Glitzy Sea, Glitz by the Sea, I think it's called, I'm not sure. I've got that one, but I want the Brights. I really want the Brights. And also I had to purchase it from Australia, so I don't know when it's going to get here, hopefully soon. And then I also want the Bold and Brights by Art by Marlene. Absolutely stunning colours. It's strange because at the beginning of the year, when I got back into my crafting, I was very muted colours, pastels, pinks, stayed away from blue, didn't like blue. Yeah, pastel-y pinks and creams and beiges, very shabby chic, very vintage. And now I'm just loving colour, all sorts of colour. The more colour the better. Oh, look at that. Oh, these colours are amazing. Except I am going to have to get something to dab my brush on, because look what I've done to my sponge. Oh dear. What one do we just do? So 1, 2, 3, 4. sure we just did this one. Did we? So what am I missing? I've missed one. See, that's what you get when you don't concentrate. I think I missed this one. I don't think I did. Yes, I did. I haven't put that one down because that one is lush. Look at that. Oh, so nice. Oh, and this one. Oh, see, this is exactly what I wanted. I brought this off of Amazon. To be honest with you, I get most of my stuff off of Amazon because I love the next day delivery. Amazon is literally what's kept me going through lockdown. I would have been lost without it. And now onto the blues. I have to say, I'm looking forward to getting to this colour. This colour with the pink and that blue. Oh, so nice. Right, don't forget where you are, Toni. Oh, look at them. I absolutely love watercolour. I love working in it. I love it in my journals. I love doing my whimsical girls with it. I just absolutely love it. Right, so I'm going to finish this line and then I will set you on fast mode and you can watch the rest, because I totally 100% recommend this water palette. So enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye. Here they are. Look at those colours. Oh, they're just the neons. Look at the neons. They're so pretty, and I know that one. My favourites are definitely that one, 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 that one. I like them all. I love them all. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I cannot wait to work with these. I have a project that I'm going to do today for Prima, and I am using these colours. These blues and greens are going to look perfect. So that's the Faber Castell watercolour set. I think it is just, it's just the 48 watercolours. Creative Studio with the neons and the metallics. So it was about £30 on Amazon, which for 48 watercolours I think's really good, to be honest. Decent watercolours that aren't like chalk and have no pigment. So yeah, this is the end of the video now. My little swatch, like I said, it was only going to be a quick one, so let me know what you think and have a fabulous day.